Good day, welcome back. I'm Jimmy. This video lineup is for A&B Vehicle Processing Lien Sale Auction of unclaimed impounded vehicles for September 3rd, 2014. This week we are looking at 7 vans, 5 pickup trucks, 3 sport utility vehicles, and 72 passenger cars. And of course, we have our trailer contents. Miscellaneous items set up the day of the auction. Could include speakers. Looks like a little box of stuff going on so far. You get everything except for my trailer. That stays here every week. Registration begins 8:30 a.m. auction day. You need a ticket to enter the auction room. Live preview begins at 9 a.m. auction day. Lasts until 10 a.m. auction day. Again, 1 ticket per person. 18 and over are welcome. What else? You'll see some little yellow barricade lines every so often, people. Those, again, are not limbo lines. Those are lines that say, hey, that area is closed off. Those cars behind that area are not available. So please work with us on that. I think that's about it. Okay, so the first item we're going to auction off are the trailer contents. Everything inside the trailer usually consists of some speaker boxes, some tools, one price for everything inside the trailer. Okay, we're in row 1, people. If you look at the top of the bidder sheet, we have row 1, 2, 3, and 4. We start in row 1. The vehicles are sold in the order this video is going to be. So car number 1, a 1989 Cadillac. Vehicle number 2 is a 1999 Lexus ES300. You'll see in the bidder sheet this one is highlighted. That means it requires a $300 deposit due upon winning bid. All of the vehicles require a $100 deposit due upon winning bid. Number 3 is 1992 Toyota Camry. Number 4, Honda 97 Civic. Number 5 with the workbox, 97 Ford F-250. And number 6 is a 1993 Honda Del Sol. Number 7, 1998 Buick Regal. Number 8, 1992 Honda Accord. Number 9, 1994 Chevy pickup truck 2500. And number 10 is a 1991 Honda Accord. Number 11, 1994 BMW 325i. Number 12, pickup truck, 97 Chevy S10. Number 13 is a 2002 Ford Escort White. 14 with the rack, 1990 GMC 1500. And 15 is a 1996 Volkswagen Jetta. 16, a 1992 Honda Accord. 17, Saab 94 900S. And number 18 is a 2001 Mazda Protege. 19, last vehicle in row 1 is a 1994 Ford E150 van. One more look back. All of our happy cars, row 1. Looking for new happy homes, happy drivers. And we're heading off to row 2. First vehicle, row 2, is number 20. 2001 little Hyundai. 21, another Lexus, 92 ES300. 22, 1991 Acura Legend. And 23, 1991 Honda Accord. 24, Mercedes 89 300E. And 25 is a 1996 Chevy Astro van. 26, 2001 Saturn L300. 27, 1998 Mazda MPV van. 28, 94 Camaro by Chevrolet. 29, 1998 Toyota Camry White. And 30 is a 1993 Honda Accord. 31, 2002 Buick Century. 32, 1995 Honda Accord. 33 is a 1992 Toyota Camry. 34, 1998 Volvo S70. 35, 2002 Ford Escort. And 36, 1991 Audi 100. 37, 1997 Chrysler Cirrus. And 38, last vehicle in row 1 is a 1994 Infiniti Q45 with the rims. One more look back. There we are, row 2. Happy cars. And the next vehicle you're going to see is the first vehicle in row 3. It's also the first vehicle you will see entering the auction room. 2003 Saab 9.3 black with the sunroof. And vehicle 40. 40 is a 1988 Mercedes 300E. 41, gas saver, 98 Hyundai Accent. 42, 1992 Nissan Stanza. 43, 1998 Audi A6. 44, 2000 Saturn Wagon. And 45 is the 1994 Toyota Camry. 46, 1997 Honda Civic Black. 47, 1998 Honda Civic. 48, 1997 Pontiac Grand Prix. And 49 is the 1999 Chevy Malibu. 50, 2000 Mercedes C230. 51 is a 1997 Geo Prism. 52 Saturn 92 SL1. 53 pickup truck 1989 Mitsubishi. 54 Jaguar. And let's see, we got a little mix up. We're going to go up real quick. This is number 55 right here, people. It's in the wrong order. We're still waiting on a couple cars. Number 55 is a 1980 Chevy Corvette. Back to 56. 56 is a 2000 Honda Civic. And 57, we're still waiting on it. 57 is a 1957 Chevy Bel Air Coupe 2-door hardtop. It is a non-runner. You have to have your little tow truck or find some way to get it home. But it looks like a good project. So we already did this guy. We already did the Vet. Now we're at 58. 58 is a 2000 Ford Expedition. And 59 is a 1993 Honda Civic. 60, 1992 Lexus SC400 Coupe. 61, 1996 Honda Civic. 62, last vehicle in row 3 is a 1996 Nissan Quest minivan. One more look back, all of row 3. More happy cars. And we're heading up to row 4. First vehicle, row 4, 1995 Chevy sports van. 64 is a 1998 Nissan Altima. And 65, 1995 Pontiac Bonneville. 60, where are we right here? 66, actually go back. 65 is a 94 Toyota Camry. And 66 is a 1995 Pontiac Bonneville. 67, 1999 Daewoo. 68, 1998 Cadillac DeVille. 69, 2000 Mazda 626. And 70 is a 1997 Infiniti Q45. 71, 1999 Toyota Corolla. 72 is a 2002 Infiniti G20. 73, 1991 BMW 535i. 74, 1996 Nissan Maxima. 75, 1998 Ford Explorer White. 76 Honda 98 Civic. And 77 2000 Chrysler Town and Country minivan. 78 2001 Dodge Neon. 79 Mercedes 2000 C230. And 80 is a 1999 Volkswagen Passat. 81, 2000 Buick Regal. 82, 1999 Volvo S80. 83, 1997 Mercedes E420. And 84, 2000 Lexus ES300. 85, 2003 Dodge Caravan. 86 Chevy, 2005 Impala. 87, 2006 Chevy Malibu. And 88, last vehicle, September 3rd, 2014, lien sale auction at A&B, is a 2000 Cadillac CTS with some rims. Let's see what else, people. Got to do a little work on the right front of it. It looks like, people. One more look back at row 4. More happy cars, looking for happy homes, happy drivers, happy people. And I want to thank all you guys for watching the video and for attending the auction. We'll see all of you guys Wednesday at 9 a.m.